Hey everyone, in today's app video, I'm going to show you how to use Signal application. My name is Shahid and welcome to a new app review video. Signal is a private messaging application you could use on your iPhone, Android or iPad devices. It's even have application for Mac, PC and Linux. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, you need to download Signal application. You need to go to your App Store or Play Store on your Android devices and type in Signal. So once you type in Signal, you will find the application. So I already downloaded it. You need to install it in your device first. So I will click on open the application. So once you click on the open application, this is the first place. Take privacy with you, be yourself in every message. So you need to terms and policy, you should accept it and click on continue. So once you click on continue, it says Signal needs access to your contact in order to connect with friends, exchange messages and make secure calls. So I will click on continue. So once you click on continue, it will ask you some permission. You need to allow that, or if you don't want to allow that, you can do that as well. So enter your phone number to get started. So here you need to put a valid phone number. You need to select your country code, and then the phone number. So I will put my phone number here. And once you put your phone number, then click on next. So once you click on next, they will send you a code on the same number that you have chosen. And I received the code and it will start verifying it. So now my phone number has been verified. Now they said set up your profile. So what you need to do is that you need to select your first name. So I will select my first name, and the last name is actually optional. So you don't need to put it, or you want to put it, then you can do it as well. And then select next. So here they say that create your PIN. So you need to create your PIN here for the application. So it will be at least 4 digits. So I will select my PIN and click on next. And then you need to re-enter the same PIN, and the PIN has been created. So this is the first page of Signal application. So guys, this is how you can create a Signal account. I will discuss the feature in the next video. Please like and subscribe our channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
How heavy is that? Light work with the bass on the track, on my face to the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink, but it's straight from the tap. And I'm hating the slack, couple man stand around like the hate in the gaff. Please stop talking that trash, cause the vibes and the fun